back off.
Bruce Golding, as leader, has been a failure. As Prime Minister, double failure.
Government Minister blasts former party leader Bruce Golding for SSL criticism. SSL saga deepens as Usain Bolt's company shrouded by St. Lucian business law. And Prime Minister says there will be no bailout for investors swindled by SSL.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, it's a Wednesday, so naturally this evening we'll be talking about gas prices, which are going up tomorrow. That and more in the business day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea to Jordan. Jordan, what do you have coming up in sports?
Well, Herman, Jamaica has been given high marks for its anti-doping program by the president of the World Anti-Doping Agency, with the country set to host a two-day conference in Kingston. I'll tell you more later in sports.
Thank you so much, Jordan. There was nothing but heat and wind today. I'm hoping that Romain has a preview of what that was all about.
Yes, we still have that high pressure and those strong winds across the area, but we're looking at the weekend for increasing cloudy conditions across the area because there is the likelihood that a frontal system should be passing north of the Caribbean.
Okay, we look forward to that. There's also sports commentary and e-prime in this newscast. But before the break, here is our feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, what has garbage collection been like in your area since the 50 new trucks were added in December?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet @televisionjam1.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.